In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix frozen and unresponsive screen on a Dell laptop. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, when your laptop screen completely freezes, leaving your mouse unresponsive and clock time stuck, the graphics user interface layer has usually deadlocked. So what you want to do is trigger the hidden graphics driver reset hotkey. So press these exact 4-key combination all at once on your keyboard. Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B. Your laptop screen will instantly flicker or flash completely black, and you'll hear a sharp audio beep tone, and that sound confirms it has killed your graphics drivers, flushed its cache, and reinitialized your visual layout pixels. And then your screen should immediately come back to life. If you're working across a MacBook panel layout and your screen locks up, then obviously that's going to be a different method. And if your operating system's kernel stack has totally crashed, software keys will not fire. You must execute a hard force reset at your motherboard trace layer to prevent component overheating. So locate the physical power button, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, and don't let go when the screen flashes. Keep holding until the internal cooling fans completely stop spinning and all the status lights go dark. Then wait 10 seconds for the system capacitors to drain, then press the power button once normally to boot your laptop configuration back up to fresh.